Tama yung sinabi ni Kong Ernix, dadagdagan ko lang. Kaya nga kailangan natin, sa aking palagay, kailangan talaga bumaba sa ground. Kasi itong sinasabi niya na political anti-dynasty, it will not only change the political landscape, it will also limit the choices of people to elect their leaders. Diba? So it would definitely have a bearing effect in every election that we will be holding. Assuming that this bill becomes a law. So, bababa talaga tayo sa ground. Kasi maraming mga versions Maraming versions. So, hindi kailangan natin malaman, maintindihan ng taong bayan at kung ano acceptable talaga sa kanila. Number two, as to the timeline, I was anticipating sana na this December magkaroon ng preliminary deliberation. So, but as a matter of courtesy to the speaker, kasi siya naman talaga nagsabi rin. Remember, a couple of weeks ago, he stood up on behind the podium saying that he would prioritize the anti-political dynasty legislation. So I was waiting for his version. Kung di ako nagkakamali, kaninang umaga o kanina lang, nag-file na po sila ng kanilang version, majority leader. So ngayon kaya ba si majority leader or si speaker? But that was the information that I gathered. I'm not so sure about that. You can check my information. But it was actually they are about to file or they have already filed, the speaker. It's already filed this version. So yun ang inantay natin. So by January, I guess, that would be third week of January ang schedule natin. Para mag-start na tayo ng preliminary na discussion on the anti-political dynasty. And we will consolidate all the various versions of this bill.
Thank you po.
Yeah.
Okay, next question natin.